Did you know that reindeer, also called caribou in North America, are true Arctic survivors? Their thick fur keeps them warm, and their special noses actually warm the icy air before they breathe it in. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, but only females keep theirs through the winter to help find food. Reindeer live across the tundra and forests from Scandinavia to Canada. Some herds travel over 3,000 miles every year, one of the longest land migrations on Earth. In winter they eat lichen, but in summer they munch on grasses and even eggs. Reindeer are also important to indigenous cultures like the Sami and Nenets, who rely on them for food, clothing, and traditions. These amazing animals face challenges from climate change, but their story is one of resilience and wonder. Like and share if you enjoyed these incredible reindeer facts. Made with InVideo AI by Lolo's Workspace. Reindeer, also known as caribou in North America, are remarkable Arctic and subarctic deer. Both males and females grow antlers, but males shed theirs after mating season, while females keep them through winter. Their thick, double-layered fur and specialized noses help them survive extreme cold. Wide, concave hooves act as snowshoes in winter and provide traction in summer. Reindeer inhabit tundra, boreal forests, and mountains across Scandinavia, Siberia, Alaska, Canada, and Greenland. Some herds migrate more than 3,000 miles each year, making one of the longest land migrations of any mammal. In winter, reindeer eat mostly lichen, while in summer, their diet expands to include grasses, shrubs, mushrooms, and sometimes even lemmings or bird eggs. For indigenous peoples like the Sami and Nenets, reindeer are vital for food, clothing, and transportation. In folklore, they are famous for pulling Santa Claus's sleigh. While some populations are stable, others are declining due to climate change, habitat loss, and overhunting. Fun fact: their eyes turn blue in winter to improve vision in low light. Reindeer can run up to 50 miles per hour and swim efficiently. A group of reindeer is called a herd.
Why do both male and female reindeer sport antlers? And what do Santa's sleigh team and Arctic survival have in common? Let's find out. Reindeer, also called caribou in North America, are the only deer where both genders grow antlers. Males drop theirs after mating season, but females keep theirs all winter. So technically, Santa's sleigh team? Probably all ladies. Built for the cold, reindeer rock thick fur, snowshoe-like hooves, and a nose that literally warms icy air. Their menu? Mostly lichens, grasses, and fungi, perfect fuel for epic journeys. Speaking of journeys, some herds migrate nearly 3,000 miles a year, one of the longest trips in the animal kingdom. Beyond Christmas tales, reindeer are vital to indigenous cultures like the Sami and Nenets, providing transport, food, and tradition. But climate change and habitat loss threaten them, so these legendary creatures need more than just holiday cheer to survive.